Hello! In today's video, we learn the AND word family. The letters A and N, when they are blended together, says AN. A makes the A sound and N makes the N sound. Let's blend these letters together. A, N, A, N, A, N, An, An. Good job, kids. Let's read some AN word family words. P, an, pan, pan. N, an, nan. K, an, can. T, an, tan. An, man. An, ran. Good job, kids. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing the AN word family and you'll soon be reading lots of words. I'll see you in my next video. I love you.